Ka result thungkam ye ki noi kai bala pass ka Meghalaya teacher eligibility test haki government LP school Hadadengri subdivision West Garo Hills kablami haka shipau tarik kulalangkot arjar pusau kelawan ra ya ka jingkan tho bat ka jing persya na babun balang namar ka jing bammi kerteng kitrai mulok kitrai jaka kata ki riulum garo kuman shikodo bakilami ka jingkan tho ba lai pulai na ki lai pusangut ki blami kerteng haka tai ka result thungkam kidei na ki wei pat ki jai ben riu bar jala bat kani kelawan ra ka jing sngudu menstri me ki riulum garo umentri badai khmi ya katat puli puthi urakam e sangma ulo ong ba ka jingkhot thungkam kadai leng ba ka open category but omla ban penya pher ya ka jede ne ka jingbom de riulum ulo ong ba ka sarkar kam dan bantai e ban thung re ka de ka rai jong ki nongsim interview.
This is open category, UR category, unreserved category. So we don't know how they performs, but it is this result have declared based on the marks secured at the interview by the panelists.
So there is absolutely no discrepancy in the recruitment process.
No, this is decided by the interview panel, and the question of all this should not arise because it is because they set for the interview, and based on the mark obtained by the candidate, I think the result has been declared. No, the trouble, non-trouble does not arise. It's an open category seat if I'm not wrong, and what they mean also. Therefore, like the result is clear, and it is already declared. Like it is based on the merit, and because of the purpose, we have set up interview panel. This candidates were declared cleared based on the performance at the interview has been, because it is supreme power of the interview panel to give the marks, to give the performance, to select their on merit. Therefore, this result has been declared based on the performance at the interview, has been decided by the interview panel, and no more comments on this.